Hey, get a guy up in that tower right there. Hey, we got this 249 to the left.
249 to the left?
Yep, right by Smitty.
See that? Hey, what's up? Gracias. You got me. That was a good bang.
Bang! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did I nail you before hauling bang?
I don't know. That was pretty close.
What you call it? You call it.
Both sit down. I think that was good. Right. Because you both yelled it like right at the same time.
I didn't even hear you yell, bitch.
I was saying that always happens. Like I'll be like bang, and like I yelled it too. And I'm like, oh.
You okay?
Yeah, it just got me right with Gracie in the chin.
That was good. That was good. I saw you rushing. I'm like,
fuck. I want to just keep your head down.
Yeah.
I just wanted to keep your head down and just try to get a bang. Oh my god.
Armbands, we need a medic!
Not armband, I need a medic!
Armband medic, get here first!
No! Get over here!
Non-armband medic in the corner! Lockers!
Take him.
Oh, okay, yeah, right.
Come here.
Yep.
Okay.
With you.
He's in that corner right over there. Come back here.
I'm with you.
Sorry, buddy.
Nice dog.
There you go, buddy.
Nice job.
Good job, man.
This is a fun place. I like this. Clear it out! Clear it out! Clear it out! Sweep it out! You okay?
Yeah.
Come with me. Let's go. We're gonna jog. Oh, hit! My own guy. Hello, medic! 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 Non-armband medic. That was me. I fixed your gun. Thanks for touching me. Thank you. That's it.
Oh, that's game.
That's game.
First one didn't work out so well.
What do you mean?
Well, it wasn't on him.
Try full auto now.
Oh.
Try shooting full auto right here.
Oh, it works now.
And then you gotta wind it like a high cap.
I know.
Okay.
It's just, I couldn't figure out how to get it out of, it was just semi-auto.
There you go.
It wasn't working at all. I probably might have gotten you. Quick reload!
Woo!
That was nice. Watching you cruise that side is beautiful.
Nothing but love, East Coast.
Yeah, it all started going downhill on our team once DT rushed me. That was perfect because I just peeked my head out, I didn't even have my gun up. I peek out and he's literally just like running at me, constantly shooting. I'm like, sitting behind the cardboard. I'm like, okay, so the angle's changing. That means he's rushing. I'll get back in the corner. And before I can even think about how close he was, he's like, bang, just right around the corner. I was like, oh.
I had to jump down and pick up that cardboard because I'm like, the next person that comes down there is going to be on a surfboard.
I gotta find my mag quick.
There was one that was back here. But
All of a sudden I peek my head around the corner, you're at that computer, I'm like, oh yeah.
Hey D,
Yes, sir.
you know when we ran across at the start?
Yeah.
Friggin' hit right in the mouth. From all the way from the far end.
You kidding?
No, it was just one of those lucky freaking shots that you